office in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Rockwall County in north central Texas, Hart County in north central Texas, northwestern Lamar County in north central Texas, northwestern Delta County in north central Texas, southeastern Collin County in north central Texas, Fannin County in north central Texas, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Bennington to near Farmersville, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rockwall, Greenville, Farm, Commerce, Roy City, Fett, Farmersville, Leonard, Honey Grove, West Tawakoni, Wolf City, Quinlan, Caddo Mills, Celeste, Campbell, Hawk Cove, Don City, Bailey, and Mobile City. This includes Interstate 30 between mile markers 68 and 107. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for North Central Texas.